Hey guys, this is Paper Money 54 here. I'm gonna be doing a review of this ZGB multi-tool. Um, so, I'm gonna do this side. So, here on this side we have several attachments. We have a knife right there. Not sure how long it is, but it's not terribly long, as you can tell. Let's see. About, probably say about an inch and a half long. And then, put this down. There's, another thing. I'm not really sure what it does, but I'll look it up later. And then there's another smaller kind of knife thing. There's another, I'm not really sure if you like get something out of like a small space. I'm not really sure what it'd do, but and over here, on this side, we have a scissors. You just kind of push it in, and it does this whole thing. And then there's I believe a can opener of some sort. A screwdriver, and then another can opener. And then what you do is, if you wanted to use it as pliers, simply hold it like so, and you can use it to hold something, or it has a little cutter here too. You can cut something, but and then just fold it up. I'm gonna just get something done. Here, let me just. No, alright. Okay, that's a look sideways. Actually, whatever. I'm trying to do this one-handed. I can't do it one-handed, but you kind of fold it back up. That, and then do the same thing on the other side. And then just kind of squeeze it together. And then there's one other feature. There is a flashlight. There, I'll shut off the lights real quick. Show you its flashlight abilities. So yeah, you can kind of see it's not like too powerful, but I have a powerfuler one. The video doesn't quite pick up the full light quality of it. It comes out better in person, but still a good thing. And then when you're done with it, you just stick it in here like so. And it has a little thing, you can like strap it on somehow to your belt or something. So yeah, Paper Money 54. This signing off. I think this is a pretty good thing. Nice multi-tool, especially if you're a prepper.